Let's start painting the first petal. We will use the Freya Copic fine tip brush, which is the brush we will use throughout the course. We use the darker and brighter color 1 shade. Click Alpha Lock at the color 1 layer so we can easily paint the color without painting outside of the shape. Slowly paint one line at a time in the same direction. We don't want to paint in different directions, left and right. After that, I'll paint the same color but darker by 1 shade. Paint it as earlier. Try to paint it in the same direction. Make it tidy. Practice it. Choose the color in the middle petal for blending the lighter and darker colors. For the next petal, we do the same. Choose the color from the petal and adjust it 1 shade darker. For this petal, I will emphasize it in the middle. I want it to have depth and convex, and a clear color shade to see the petal texture clearer. At the top of the petal, I will paint it with light and dark colors randomly. For the curve at the bottom, I will paint a dark color which will make the petal look dented. Once you are happy with it, then choose the next color. After you have finished it, continue to the next petal. Let me change the color. Then choose a color in the same tone but 1 shade darker. Then paint it just like the 2 petals earlier. Paint it in the same direction. Where it's a zigzag line, I paint it like drawing the line, paint it once or twice, then continue with the next zigzag. I choose the color from the petal for blending the dark and light colors. You can add the color anywhere you want. I will add another color shade, which is a red pinkish color, to paint at the bottom of the petal. As in nature, this part is attached to the sepal. Choose the light color from the petal to blend it a little bit. There is another petal. Let's paint. For the last petal, I choose pink to paint at the bottom. When I paint the petal, you can see that I painted in the same direction. There is a center in the middle at the bottom, then gradually spread out by the sides like a fan shape. Or we can think we are painting the rays of the sun. Where you want a clear color, you press the pen a little bit. Where you want the slim line, you relax your hand. To paint upwards or downwards depends on how you feel comfortable. By the top of the petal, I'm using a little bit of a darker yellow color. Where it's dented, I use this yellow color to make the color darker a bit. You can see that we've created depth and convexity. It is naturally like that, see? I randomly paint the color. Where it's dented, I paint the dark yellow color. Where it's a big dent, you press the pen to get a darker color. Where it's a small dent, you lightly paint it. We don't need to have only one visual weight for all the dark colors. We can relax the hand and press the pen randomly. The picture will look more natural. Here we go, we finished the first group, it's very fast. See you again in the next chapter.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. As a thank you, loyal subscribers receive a 10% discount on my wildflowers in Procreate Volume 1. Check the description for coupon code. See you in the next video.